Hi and welcome back to my more report analysis videos with me, which Japan Market Analyst at Asset Markets on Tuesday 14th of March. Let's look at Euro Dollar, and we've started to see the Euro Dollar breaking, sort of rolling over really, as the dollar started to strengthen again. This sort of run higher that we saw on Thursday, Friday last week came on the back of expectation or suggestion that the ECB was beginning to sort of think about tapering, or at least sort of closing off asset purchases, and it's sort of been shut down really, and that suggestion is sort of now no longer really being sort of considered, and the euro dollar has started to roll over, and it's sort of formed that bear candle yesterday, arguably a shooting star, although it's not an amazing example of one, but still I think it's a negative candle that's put a little bit of pressure to the downside today. 10 ticks down on the day. These momentum indicators are fairly mixed really. I mean, on a medium term basis you'd say the market is really in this big range really. 103.40 was the low, but up towards sort of 108.50 seems to be the limit, and within that you're sort of getting these sort of periods of rallies and corrections and you're not really getting a sustainable move really, and that is reflected in the momentum indicators, with the RSI sort of rolling over under 60, finding support around that 40 level. Stochastics, yes, have improved, so there is a mild improvement still in play, but you'd really sort of see that the market needs to sort of find support above that 106.40 level, which has been the sort of basis of support, 106.30, 106.40 since that breakout, and it's come back to test that really. So if you see the market closing back below 106.30, 106.20, which on the hourly chart 106.20 is a sort of a low, then you'd see that sort of move rolling over really again, and sort of trading back towards sort of the 105 area probably, but right, just for now, that rally has lost impetus, but it's back into support now, and it'll be very interesting to see how the market reacts around this sort of 106.20 to 106.40 support really. So 106.20 is initial support, 106 figure really, again another sort of pivot, you could argue. Old breakout became supportive, so it's had a bit of a crossroads, I think, in terms of the outlook near term, euro dollar, and just waiting to see which way this one's going to fly. You've got the Fed meeting, obviously, which is going to create volatility tomorrow, so maybe the market's going to consolidate in front of that initial resistance. Today's high 106.60, 107.10. As I said yesterday, 107.10 is an old long-term level on euro dollar, which held interestingly yesterday. So market is just in a consolidation phase really, in front of the Fed, and I don't think it's going to get too much direction, but that 106.20 to 106.40 sort of support on that hourly chart is important, I think, for the continuation of what could be a bit of a recovery, but it's just pulled back to that level and it's just testing that now. So it could go, if the support breaks to the downside, then you're sort of looking back at these sort of lows, as I said, around 105 area, 105.23. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.